G'day folks. Well, it's time to get back into stripping this Daewoo down. I've got a real purdy new arrival coming in soon, so I need this hunk of junk out of here. I want this body cut into pieces by this afternoon essentially. Even though it's already 3 o'clock, we can still burn the midnight oil and start cutting things to bits. But I won't disappoint with content on how things work, so we'll get into some of the basics and then I'll start cutting bits off. Got the other cars out here too. They're good cars. They don't get chopped up. But I'm going to start with the back, tail lights, bumper, tailgate, and then start cutting through roof pillars and trying to separate the windscreen, I think. I know the dashboard's still complete, but I want to break it down into smaller bits and clean it out. Because the power supply and TV aren't factory options. They need to go. It's a wrecked TV. It's not worth keeping, really. So that's all junk. I'll try and clean it out and start unbolting things. Unbolt the top of the shock towers. Take all that off. Yeah, it shouldn't be hard. Manual antenna, that's kind of handy to hang on to, so I'll strip that out, keep it. It's all disconnected. Struts still work. Very old though. Yeah, pressurized cylinders. And clean out in here. The Dyson. A few people asked about the Dyson. That thing's just dead. It doesn't do anything. But I'm noticing the power lead has some nasty cracks and damage to it, so I'm thinking it's just a bad power lead. If that's the case, that's good. It's almost a convertible. I think I need one of those 330mm 2-stroke demo saws. The 9-inch is good when it's got a fresh wheel on it, but doesn't quite cut deep enough. I need a 330mm 2-stroke. Maybe a Husqvarna or a Steel. Engine powered demolition abrasive saw. I did kind of break the windscreen, but I wasn't keeping it anyway. It's already got big stone chips in it. There'll still be enough left for ballistic testing once I'm done. But there's not much left in this structure. It's interesting how they use the folds to increase stiffness and that sort of thing. And they've spot welded 3 together. Car construction's come a long way since the late 1800s to early 1900s. In a way, it's kind of just as cheap. It's like Henry Ford's old motto: you can have every colour you want as long as it's black. Yeah, I made a convertible. Something like that. Good old 9-inch grinder and a demo saw for the win. This stuff is so flimsy. Need to cut through there, cut lengthways and break this up into 2 pieces, cut across below the firewall and break that up into 2 pieces, and just pretty much shove the rest onto the trailer. Windscreen's a bit screwed at the moment, so no ballistic testing against it. I've already tested a few, hammers against it, just for the hell of it. Not exceptionally thick, but still it's got the laminated reinforcing layer in there. That's what holds it all together, like polyurethane or something.